Have you ever tried to manifest your future, but didn't quite get the results that you were looking for? I've been there too. I went from not being able to control my mind to successfully manifesting the future of my dreams. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 powerful tips on how you can do it too. Hello everyone. Today I wanted to talk about one of the most powerful tips that's available to everyone, but so few people are utilizing properly. That tool is the power of manifesting through affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that, when repeated regularly, reprogram our subconscious mind to adopt a positive belief system. They create new neural pathways in our brain, replacing negative thought patterns with positive ones. I had never used affirmations until about 2 years ago. It was a really stressful time in my life, and I ended up having a panic attack. I felt like I'd lost control of my mind. This panic attack was the turning point in my life where I decided to look into neuroscience and really take control of my brain and my future. Being desperate for change and realizing the simplicity of affirmations, I started incorporating them into my daily routine. I would say things that were authentic and meaningful to me. I'd say things such as, I'm the happiest and healthiest I've ever been. I have world-class confidence. I have absolute certainty in myself, and my confidence grows daily. At first, it felt a little silly and unnatural, but with the 3 tips I'm about to share, I experienced a shift in my thoughts and my actions. I started taking meaningful steps towards my goals and started attracting more positivity. Within 1 year, every affirmation that I said had come true. Now let's dive into the 3 tips on how you can start using affirmations to manifest the future that you want. 1. Get into a high vibrational state. Before you manifest, it's essential to be in a high vibrational state. Negative emotions like anger, frustration, and jealousy hinder your ability to manifest. To raise your vibration, practice things such as unconditional love, gratitude, and appreciation. It's simple and important to practice being in a high vibration. If I told you to smile or act happy for 5 seconds, could you do it? What about being sad? Of course you can. That's simple. Just as you can practice those emotions, you can practice gratitude, joy, and other high vibrational states. 2. Meditate or truly feel your affirmations. Now, I don't want anyone to get stuck up on the fact of the word meditate because I know there's a stigma behind it, but the point is to feel the emotions as if your affirmation has already come true. If the goals that you seek out have already been met, show the gratitude for already achieving the thing that you set out to do. Over the course of history, so many teachers and philosophers have even alluded to this fact. It's even in the Bible. In Mark 11:24, Jesus said, "Therefore, I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have already received it, and it will be yours." That certainly sounds like affirmations to me. 3, and this is how you tie everything together. Take actions on the opportunities that present themselves. It's important to use your intuition to recognize and take action on those new opportunities. When you put your affirmations out there in the quantum field, you start to create your future. If you want to make more money, you don't just wake up one morning with more money in your account. How it actually happens is new opportunities present themselves that you have to take action on and make the most of. For me, every morning I would say, success and money are abundant, and I am deserving of both. The process of building both success and money are easy and enjoyable for me. How that showed up in my life was within 6 months, I had not 1, but 2 opportunities to negotiate a raise at my job. Then a few months later, I got a new job where within the span of 9 months, I doubled my salary in an industry where that's just not common. It was simple. I just put my desire out there. I really felt it as if I'd already achieved it and then took advantage of the opportunities that arose. And then my goals and affirmations were met. Those were the 3 tips. Remember to be in a high vibrational state. Combine your thoughts with the feelings and feel as if your desire is already met, and then take action when those opportunities arise. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss one of my new weekly videos. Thanks.